In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to install a kitchen faucet. Now, not just any faucet. This video is sponsored by Pfister Faucets. Now, their new Pfister Ladera is a top mount faucet. Have you ever heard that before? Literally everything mounts from the top. This is going to save you time and money. Think about it. If you're a plumbing contractor and you are doing this for a customer, if you can save time, that's going to save you money. If you're a homeowner, this is something that really makes it a whole lot easier for you. As a plumber, I can't tell you how many times I've spent lots of time up under the sink trying to get to the right spot in order to tighten things up. This literally makes it where you do everything from above. This is cool from a plumber's point of view, but also as a homeowner, I gotta tell you, if I was installing this in my house, I would look at this and say, this is something that's pretty easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it, but I'm also gonna tell you about a contest. If you're a plumber, Pfister Faucets is giving away money. They're giving away prizes. And here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna video yourself doing it in one smooth video. Everything from above to below. Now, I did say below. It installs from above, but you've actually got to hook up and turn on the water lines below, just like anything. So here's the deal. Get your faucet ready, get your video set up, and submit it to Pfister so you can be in the contest. So I've got everything they talk about that you need. I've got my safety glasses, and as you see, I've got crescent wrenches. Now they show one, I've got two because my angle stops have a different size connection, but I already know that. So I'm gonna need two. I'm gonna need one to hold back up and one to tighten it down. So it may take me just a little bit longer. Thank you to Pfister Faucets. This is a neat product, and this is why I got really excited about the opportunity to do this. They also recommend the accessories that you may wanna use: a cordless drill, a screwdriver, a flashlight, and we're ready. We've also got a rag, that way we can clean up any water drips, anything like that that we may have under here. Anyway, let's get this thing going. All right guys, so the first thing you want to do, of course, is turn the water off. Now we had to do that before we removed the old faucet. So what we're going to do, we're literally going to go through the steps. The first step is going to be to actually take the body. Now, this is a one-hole sink, so we don't need the plate to cover the other two holes. So what we're going to do is take the valve body out, and as you see, it's got a latch here that literally when you start tightening it up, this is going to come up right under the deck plate. That's what's going to secure everything from below. So since we're not using the 3-hole cover, we're going to use the 1-hole cover, and you want the rubber side down. So literally what we're going to do is stick this up through, come up to the bottom of the faucet where it goes, once you get it where you want it, you're going to want to do two things. Get your adapter to speed this up, put it in the cordless, put it on a low speed and a low torque because you don't want to break anything. And then this is your install tool. This is the neatest deal. Literally, if you want to, you can turn it by hand. But what I recommend, if you're wanting to beat the time, get everything in and secure, when it stops spinning, as you can see, it's in and secure. I'm going to go ahead and just give it just a little bit more torque. Make sure everything's good. Now the neat thing about this too, see the adapter right here? This is so it can clip on the water line below. That way the tool is always here with the faucet whenever you need to come back and put it on. So the next thing we're going to do is actually put the spout in. Now this is really neat because they've got this where it's also like a quick connection. So what you want to do is unscrew this on the bottom, because after you drop it down through, you're going to go under, hook this up on your hose, push it in, lock it, and it's going to be ready to go. So literally, stick this in. And right here, see your flat part? That's where it's going to go down. Push it in until it locks. And this is ready to go. Everything's not hooked up below, but pretty much your faucet's installed. All I've got to do now is climb underneath, hook up 2 water lines, hook up the hose, and we're ready to go. And this is a good looking install. As you see, here's what's neat about it for my installation. I've got a countertop right here, so a lot of faucets I cannot use because this handle turns all the way back and I can't get full hot water. So what I like about this, everything, all the controls are forward facing and easy to get to. And this is a good looking faucet. Now that I've got that done, I've got the water on to the faucet. I don't have any leaks below. What I'm gonna undo, unscrew the head, and flush this out. I wanna go to hot and cold because I wanna make sure anything in any one of the water lines literally gets washed out. Shut it back off. We put it back together. And lock it back in place. So the top fit technology from Pfister Faucets makes this a great install. This little tool is magic. Make sure you leave it for the customer clicking on their water line. It's got a clip for it. That's neat. 2 spray types, stream or spray. Whenever you turn the water off, it always reverts back to stream. I love that. We've got high water pressure. And as you see, my deep sink well makes this a really great thing for me because I literally have a small area that I would have to reach way up behind it in order to get to everything to tighten it up. This is great for me. So the other neat thing about this, 1, 2, 3, or 4 hole sink installation. As you see, I have a 1 hole, so this was great for me. If I had 2 holes, I could have installed the soap dispenser. For a 3 hole, I could either use the 3 hole cover or get a cock hole cover and still install the soap dispenser. With a 4 hole, install the 3 hole cover and the soap dispenser and get everything I want. I gotta tell you, this is one of the fastest kitchen faucets I've ever installed. And it was very easy. I wasn't under the cabinet very long, even though mine's even harder to do because I needed 2 wrenches because I have to hold a backup. Whether you're a plumber or a homeowner, this is a great faucet to purchase because it's gonna make your install so much easier. As a homeowner, it's easier for you. As a plumber, it's gonna save you money because it's saving you time. I wanna say thank you again to Pfister Faucets for sponsoring this video. This is a great product. And as a plumber and a homeowner, I'm thinking either way, this is a smart investment. So if you're looking for a new kitchen faucet, check out the Top Fit faucet. This is the Ladera, and I gotta tell you, I really do love it. Now remember, Pfister Faucets is running a contest. Video yourself in 1 single video, no cuts. How long does it take you to do the install? So you can be eligible for some pretty cool prizes. Leave me a comment down below and let me know, have you ever installed a faucet this fast? Because I gotta tell you, that's moving pretty quick. I'm Roger Wakefield, Lead AP, the expert plumber. I'll see you in the next video if you don't get flushed.